showing you how to use DMOJ, the online judge for computer competitive programming. After you have registered on the top right, you'll have access to everything on DMOJ. DMOJ is not pay to win. There is no premium subscription. You'll have access to all the contests, all the problems, and let's get started on trying to solve a problem. You can filter out the problem hardness by point range. The higher the points, the harder it is. You can search for problems, and you can filter out categories. Let's say we wanted to solve this question. This will be the problem. There will be an input specification and an output specification. Your input has to be blank, which means it cannot ask a prompt. In most cases, a problem will contain a sample input and a sample output. When you want to submit your solution, you would simply click on Submit Solution, choose your code on the bottom. Let's say I wanted to use Python, and you would write your code. If your problem is pretty hard, you can use your own IDE to test it. For Python, I would recommend PyCharm or VS Code. If you're doing Java, I would recommend Eclipse. And if you're doing C++, I would recommend Eclipse or VS Code. Now, I will quickly speedrun this question, and then I'll tell you how to submit it. Okay, after you have successfully answered the question, if all your test cases have a check mark or answer correct, you have successfully completed this question. Once you revisit the question, there should be a check mark next to your question. If you are stuck on a problem, especially a hard one, a lot of the problems have editorials, which are hints. Let's say I want to solve this question. Oh no, I don't know how to do it. Well, there is an editorial. You can read this, and this basically gives you an idea of what you are supposed to do in this question. And that's all for this video. Thank you, and subscribe.